13.
Well, thank you for kindness. I know, right? I already expected this. I'm not surprised. Oh, I haven't introduced myself as well with you. For those who don't know me, which of you don't, my name is Atisha Zuin Anon, a smart young woman, or should I say, a genius. If you need someone to answer your problems, I'm the perfect person to approach. You ask why? Because I know everything. Give me those equations, I'll simplify it. Give me those problems, I'll solve them. Give me that peace, I'll correct it. It feels good to be a genius. But sometimes I wonder if I was born a long time ago, then I would have created all inventions in this world. Maybe yes. Maybe yes. Why can't I? I know I'm not. Remember? My mother calls me Atisha. My nickname. She has been my inspiration. I mean, assistant ever since. How can she be my mentor? I know a lot than her. Oh, my father? I don't know him, and I refuse to know him. Some people tell me he was a criminal, a thief, a young man of pure evil.
number 3